Having trouble with your Spectrum 110 cable box? Whether it's freezing, running slow, or acting up, a reset can often solve the problem. There are two main types of resets: a reboot, also called a soft reset or power cycle, and a factory reset, also called a hard reset. A reboot is like restarting your computer. It's a quick and easy way to clear temporary glitches without deleting any of your data or recordings. A factory reset, on the other hand, wipes everything clean, restoring the box to its original settings. Use a reboot for minor issues. Reserve a factory reset for more serious problems that a reboot can't fix, like corrupted firmware. For a reboot, first, unplug the power cord from the back of your Spectrum 110 box. Wait a full 30 seconds. This allows the system's memory to clear completely. Then plug the power cord back in. The box will take a few minutes to reboot, indicated by the Spectrum logo appearing on your TV. For a factory reset, power on the box and using your Spectrum remote, navigate to the Settings menu. Then select Support and then Reset. Select Factory Reset and confirm your choice. Alternatively, on some models, you can press and hold the power button on the box itself for about 10 to 15 seconds until it resets. Remember, a factory reset will erase all your recordings and settings, so only use it if necessary. And make sure you have considered using cloud backups before trying this.